What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here with this new vehicle, a 2008 Hummer H3, but this may apply to many different GM cars, trucks, and SUVs. Definitely not just this model. If you have heated seats, like on this model, and you notice that even with the key on for normal use, nothing happens when you hit the button right there. You know, even though everything else obviously works, here is the issue. A safety feature on these models: someone needs to be sitting in this seat, or the seatbelt needs to be fastened. So, fasten the seatbelt. Come on back down here. And it lights right up. So there's nothing wrong with it. It's just a safety feature in this guy that, you know, it doesn't want to be heated if there's no one sitting in it. The driver's seat will come on either way because, of course, someone's always going to be in the driver's seat when the vehicle's in use. But anyway, that's just a little quickie for you. Some people wonder if there's something wrong with it, but no. As long as you got the seatbelt buckled and, you know, I mean, there really doesn't have to be anyone sitting in it, obviously, but the seat does need to be fastened. That's it. Just like that. 2008 Hummer H3. This is an Alpha edition, but this will apply to tons of different GM cars, trucks, and SUVs. And, you know, we're doing some new little updates and fixes and, you know, improvements to this already great vehicle. So be on the lookout for those. We got a previous one on exhaust system we just installed, and so be on the lookout for those. We also did a sound comparison of the exhaust, MagnaFlow exhaust versus the stock exhaust, so check it out. That'll apply to any of these 5.3 liter V8s on the GM vehicles as far as the exhaust goes. But that's that. Great looking vehicle. Really enjoying it so far. So have a look through our channel. We got all kinds of cool stuff that you may like relating to cars, trucks, motorcycles, dirt bikes, lawnmowers, chainsaws, leaf blowers, fixing stuff around the house, all kinds of cool stuff. So check it out. And make sure you Google Horsepower House, as we are all over the internet, including eBay, Amazon, and Facebook. That's it. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you.